There's a silent struggle many men face. They give their all, they follow diets, hit the gym, try to stay fit. But exhaustion creeps in by the afternoon, passion in the bedroom fades, and the confidence that once defined them feels like a distant echo. They wonder, has my body given up on me? The men's health industry thrives on this despair. They sell you promises of vigor in expensive capsules or invasive treatments. But what if the solution wasn't in clinics or pharmacies, but in the simplicity of the fruits you find at the market? I'm Dr. Mariah, and after over 30 years as a men's health specialist, helping men reclaim the strength they thought was lost forever, I'm here to reveal the truth. The solution to fatigue and performance decline isn't in synthetic pills, but in 3 powerful fruits nature created. They're pure, delicious fuels that your body not only recognizes but craves. Most men accept decline as inevitable, but proven science shows something different. A red fruit that revitalizes your arteries, a blue one that balances your hormones, and an orange one that energizes every cell in your body. This isn't speculation. It's nutritional therapy validated by rigorous research and confirmed by real stories of men who transformed their lives. Today, I'll show you how to combine these 3 simple fruits to spark a profound shift in your physical, emotional, and intimate well-being. Stay with me, because what you're about to discover could redefine how you age. And for those who stick around until the end, I'll share a bonus tip, a small tweak that supercharges the effects of these fruits together. Before we start, if you value truth and want to stay strong, energized, and confident, I ask you to subscribe and hit the bell. That way, you'll get honest content made for men like you. If you like what you hear, comment 1. If not, comment 0, and tell me what you're looking for. My mission is to serve you. Now let's uncover the power of the first fruit. You'll be surprised. The first fruit we're covering isn't some exotic supplement, but a nutritional treasure studied for its ability to restore circulation, support prostate health, and bring back firmness where it matters most. I'm talking about the watermelon, the Circulation Supercharger. I vividly remember a patient, Carlos, 71 years old. He came to my office disheartened. "Doctor, I'm not the man I used to be." His energy, confidence, and intimacy felt like distant memories. What Carlos didn't know was that his issue wasn't age, but something modern science understands well: blood flow. The watermelon is a powerhouse because it's rich in citrulline, an amino acid that converts to arginine in the body. These compounds act like pure fuel for your blood vessels. First, they fight oxidative stress, protecting the delicate lining of your arteries. Second, and this is critical, they boost nitric oxide levels. Nitric oxide is the body's master signaling molecule, responsible for relaxing and expanding blood vessels. With more nitric oxide, blood flows freely, especially to the areas older men need it most. The speed of the results is remarkable. In clinical studies, men who drank watermelon juice daily saw significant improvements in erection quality and duration in just 2 weeks. 2 weeks, no side effects, no prescriptions, just biology awakened by a fruit. Carlos followed my advice. 200 milliliters of pure watermelon juice every morning. In no time, he came back transformed. His posture was upright, his smile was back, and he joked that his wife was looking at him differently. It wasn't magic, it was science. If you feel intimacy is a memory, don't reach for pills, reach for watermelon. It's just the start of the journey, because next we're diving into the blue fruit that restores testosterone naturally. The second fruit is what I call the silent hormone balancer, the blueberry. I still remember the frustration in the voice of a patient, Eduardo, 67 years old, when he leaned in and confessed, "Doctor, I just don't feel like a man anymore." He was an active retiree, doing everything right, but something essential had shifted. His desire, his vital energy, was gone, not just in the bedroom but in life. He felt slower, weaker, almost invisible. What Eduardo and so many men don't realize is that this feeling isn't just about age, it's about testosterone. And testosterone isn't just a number on a lab test, it's a feeling. It's that fire in your chest when you wake up ready to tackle the day. It's the confidence in your voice, the strength in your handshake, and yes, the passion that fuels intimacy and purpose. The problem is, after 60, levels tend to drop. But there's a natural way to fuel your hormones, and it doesn't come in bottles or patches. It comes from the blueberry. This blue fruit is rich in anthocyanins, antioxidants that help reduce inflammation, a major enemy of testosterone. It also contains vitamin C and magnesium, essential nutrients for male hormonal balance. Perhaps most importantly, blueberries help lower cortisol, the stress hormone that silently strangles testosterone production over time. When Eduardo started eating a handful of fresh or frozen blueberries a day, the change was swift. In a week, his energy surged. He felt more present, more grounded, more alive. His mood lifted, his sleep deepened, and that fire he thought was lost started to flicker again. In a world that sells quick fixes, the truth is, your body isn't broken. It just needs the right fuel. Blueberries deliver that, supporting testosterone and, as a bonus, your heart health, a critical piece of the performance puzzle. Our journey now takes us to the third fruit. So familiar its power is often overlooked. If the watermelon is the river that restores circulation, and the blueberry is the forge that crafts your hormones, then the mango is the power plant that energizes every cell in your body. It's not just about sweet flavor, it's about the foundational fuel that sustains your daily vitality. I still recall the case of Raphael, a 74-year-old retired professor. He was a proud man, always active, but came to my office with a complaint I hear constantly. "Doctor, I'm tired all the time, not just in my body, but in my mind, my spirit. I wake up already feeling drained." He wasn't describing sadness, but a deep depletion. He'd lost his edge. I asked him a simple question. "When was the last time you felt truly energized after breakfast?" He looked at me, puzzled. "I skip breakfast most days," he said. And that was the clue. The body, especially after 60, doesn't wake up on by itself. It needs a signal, a fuel that speaks the language of your heart, muscles, and brain. That's where the humble mango comes in. Many men see it as just a fruit, but I see it as essential. Mangoes are rich in vitamin C and potassium, nutrients that do far more than support immunity. They protect arterial health, helping keep blood pressure in check and ensuring the blood optimized by watermelon can flow freely. Plus, they contain B vitamins, which work behind the scenes to relax blood vessels and protect arteries. But the real magic is in their ability to generate energy. Mangoes provide natural carbohydrates that your body uses to produce energy at the cellular level. When Raphael started his mornings with half a mango, maybe with a bit of yogurt and a glass of water, he felt a shift in days. He told me, "I don't just have more energy, I feel steadier. I'm not crashing mid-morning anymore." That's because mangoes help regulate blood sugar and contain antioxidants that reduce oxidative stress, calming stress, and lifting mood. When energy flows consistently, everything in life gets easier. Walking, thinking, staying present, and yes, performing in the moments that matter. This is the foundation of it all. We've reached the most critical part. If there's one thing I've learned in over 3 decades as a men's health specialist, it's this. Aging doesn't break a man, giving up does. Too many good men accept fatigue, loss of desire, and shaken confidence as the end of the line. But what I've seen time and again is that your body is always ready to heal, always ready to respond when given the right support. We've reviewed the power of 3 foundational fruits. The watermelon, which revitalizes circulation, opening the pathways for performance. The blueberry, the silent powerhouse that fuels your testosterone and fights stress. And the mango, the energy plant that powers your body and mind. Together, they're not just food, they're the foundation for your restoration. Now, as promised, I want to reward your commitment for watching this far with a clear plan and the bonus tip that supercharges it all. Here's your action plan to start tomorrow morning, what I call the morning vigor ritual. It's not a complicated recipe, but a powerful principle. When you wake up, start your day with a 200 milliliter glass of pure watermelon juice. Alongside it, eat a handful of fresh or frozen blueberries and half a mango. Why together? Synergy is the key. The watermelon primes your arteries for optimal blood flow. The blueberries provide antioxidants that stabilize the mango's nutrients, preventing energy spikes and ensuring steady fuel. And the mango, in turn, delivers vitamin C that works in harmony with the nitric oxide boosted by the watermelon. It's a perfect storm of nutrients that tells your body from the first hour of the day, we're rebuilding. This simple 5-minute ritual can have a deeper impact than any expensive supplement because you're giving your body exactly what it needs, in the order it can use it best. Try this for a week and feel the difference. This isn't about chasing youth. It's about claiming the vitality that's yours by right. Choose foods that fuel your strength. Choose habits that restore your energy. Because this isn't the end of your story, it's the start of a new chapter, and you're in charge of how it's written. If this message resonated in your heart, I ask a small favor. Share this video. Think of a father, a brother, a dear friend, a man you respect who deserves to hear that vitality has no expiration date. And now, I want to hear from you. What's your biggest question or concern about men's health? Drop your topic suggestion in the comments below. I promise to read every comment to create videos that truly answer your questions. To never miss these future conversations, click the subscribe button and hit the bell. Together, we can redefine what it means to age with strength. Thank you for your trust and for being part of this mission.